Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, May 9th, and today we have the first half of the True Colors for this round of the Tula Pink release. This is True Colors 2025. The perfect balance, these subtle new True Colors coordinate with Full Moon Forest 2 or any of the Tula Pink fabrics. Today we have Ditz and Space Sprinkles. These are the Space Sprinkles. Space sprinkles are sprinkled with tiny moons and stars, and what a ditz is a charming ditzy floral. Some of the clever color names are lightning bug green, piglet pink, and peachy keen. And this is, of course, by Tula Pink for Free Spirit Fabrics. And I don't want to be remiss in not saying Happy Mother's Day because we do have Mother's Day coming up this weekend. So if you're someone that needs to gift to a mother, I hope that I've reminded you. And if you are a mother, I hope that you get all the deserved love that you are expecting. I actually had one of my 22-year-olds this morning ask me, so you said you just want a picture of us. Is that really what you just want? And I was like, oh, you're such a good kid for asking if that's really what I wanted. But yes, that's really what I want because it's very rare that I get all four of my young adult kids together at the same time. And they're all going to be here this weekend. So I'm very excited. If you are new to our YouTube channel, we started doing videos a little more than 5 years ago when we had to close the shop due to COVID. So we have produced over 1,300 videos at this point because when we reopened, everybody said, yes, please keep doing your videos. So we do these videos Monday through Friday. And if you are enjoying them, all you need to do is subscribe on YouTube and they will land right in your email inbox. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be sure to celebrate all the mamas in your life, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.